There can be several reasons why your 3D printer just is not printing the way it needs to, and one of those reasons could be because the nozzle on the 3D printer is blocked. So you might have got some filament that melted and got stuck in there. So in this video, we're gonna have a look at how to clean the nozzle and make sure that isn't a problem. Now, your 3D printer from STEM T4L should have come with a toolkit. This is the toolkit, and inside the toolkit there will be a nozzle unclogging pin. So this is what we need for this little procedure. So first of all, on the menu of your 3D printer, I'm going to click on Settings, then choose Move, and then on the right hand side we're going to lower the print head so that we can get access to that nozzle. So when you're pressing that button down, the print head will be slowly lowering so that you can get access to the top of that copper head. Now we need to preheat the head. We're going to preheat it to make sure that any filament is melted. So the extruder needs to be set to 235 degrees. All right, so let's remove the filament guide tube. So press down on the copper piece in order to pull the tube out. So a little press down, pull the tube out, and let go of the copper head. Now take that little unclogging pin, and we're just going to push it down through that copper piece. So anything that's stuck in there is going to pop out underneath. Now, our printer is not clogged, so nothing's going to come out. If you need any more help, reach out to t4l.link/STEM help.